And I'm very passionate about young people, giving them the opportunity, because you've heard the phrase, the rich get richer, the poor get poor. Well, that's because we're learning at home. And if we truly want to make this world equal opportunity for every child,
Yes.
if we truly want every child to have the opportunity to create and realize their dreams, we have to start teaching all our children in school about money. And it's not the greed side of money, but it's the value side of money, how to buy, build, and create assets that will give them the opportunity to not just be financially confident, but to be in a position to help others as well.